I say you feel any for angry, sure. But me, I want to talk to her.
That's it. Just makes you finish the session.
Prince, oh she in that taxi.
Chris, you are needed. Oh, you have company.
Patsy, Vanessa, Patsy.
Oh, hi. So, Dad will be with us in a little minute. Okay?
Boy, you never see smoke with a fire. So that's why you ought to start playing security. Look at that. It's nice here. Yeah, come through the father.
Patsy, nobody start with that.
Oh, sound like a therapist girlfriend inside. How convenient. Genetics are going on.
Hear me, I say.
You don't have to say a thing, sir. You don't owe me no explanation, none at all. My name, mother. Me just want to be able to know, say, meet you there. Baby,
Easy, man.
my honey bunch, baby girl.
Auntie Patsy.
My baby, what happened?
You never know say there.
Me never know see me there, Anna. I just not pass. I'm saying, oh, let me come look for my baby.
Well, happy see you.
My happy to see you too.
Oh, and this is Vanessa, a psychologist.
So me hear about you and school. What happened?
One local boy pushed me out of the line and me and him catch up.
I am doing my teacher. Thunder. Anyway, baby girl, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna have a girls' day out, okay?
That's so good.
All right. Look, come give me a hug. All right, my baby. All right. Take care of yourself.
Bye. Hi, my kid. Miss me?
What? What's one is got my yard.
Are the Patsy that?
No. I'd the pot say this, and if you have something to say to my face.
Yeah, me have a bone to pick with you, Patsy.
Hey, we no bother with that, you know.
Yes, Skeletor. Pick one them now.
Hey,
I have only here.
Go
I'm
now.
alright.
This can't go on, you're saying. Your daughter inside. Your stepdaughter inside.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
Yeah? I'll meet you at the top of the road. Okay.
Hey, Vanessa.